Welcome to my NES Tech Demo Showcase. First up, here's our sports car tackling a rough environment. Watch as it smoothly navigates left and right, showing off the bi-directional scrolling on the NES. Now, hit the throttle, and boom! The scrolling takes off vertically. Every tap of up pushes your car to new limits, dynamically increasing the scrolling speed. It's not just about going fast, it's about how fast you can handle. Let me show you what's happening under the hood. In the PPU viewer, you can see how it works. The track tiles are mirrored, as you can see here in the layout screen of NESMaker. As the camera scrolls upward, it creates the illusion of a seamless, endless road stretching into the distance. However, things start to change as you approach Hex 10 on the speed counter, because tiles are 16 pixels high. The camera moves just enough, 16 pixels at a time, to make the road seem perfectly still. Passing Hex 10, it's a full speed frenzy. The scrolling hits new heights, the stumps blur into streaks, and it's all up to you to stay in control. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun making NES games.